Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website and watch the video on the homepage to learn more at fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the Aussie dollar is sitting at the 50% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame. Now, if you've been following along, you know that I think this first move up is either an A or a 1. Most wave A's, wave 1s do end shortly after they break structure, so we definitely do have all the criteria met for possibly ending a wave A in one or possibly going down for a wave two or B. So could possibly get a pretty big pullback starting. Now, this is my most recent structure level right here. Unfortunately, I think that structure break really only tells us that these 5 waves up right here are complete. But looking across the board at all the other dollar pairs, if we do break and hold below this structure today, I think that that would prove that we are likely going to make a crutch into this whole move up. And a crutch into this whole move up would potentially be either a wave 2 or a wave B, most likely playing out in some sort of a 3 wave pullback, some sort of an Elliot wave, ABC or WXY or something like that for the wave 2 or the wave B, and potentially would go someplace between 38 and 78% of this whole move up. So keep an eye on your structure today. The trend is definitely very, very, very heavily up. So if it doesn't break and hold below structure with momentum, then we're going to have to realize that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, and we should continue to look for longs unless we get this nice break and hold below structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.